Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the last tutorial we have covered how to put or how to insert the URL on your web page. Okay, how to put the link on your web page. Okay, so guys, if you have not seen that video, please go and check that one. Now in this tutorial we will start our session how to insert or how to put the image on your web page on your HTML file. So let's get started guys. First of all, we have to download any image and you have to put that image in the static folder. In the last tutorial we have covered we know how to make the static folder. Just right click on the your project name, that is hello world, then make a new, that is directory, that is a static name. Give the name as a static because the image is a static image, so we are putting that image in the static folder. So I have downloaded one image, so I will put that image. This is the download image in my desktop, so I will copy this image, then I will put this image in the static folder. So this PC, you have to go, this is the path, local C, then users, then HP, then this is the PyCharm project. Inside this one I have created 4 projects, so inside this hello world static folder is there. Okay, you just Control V, you just paste that image over here, then you go to your PyCharm. Okay, I'm using the PyCharm. Okay, so see the download in the static folder, the download image it over here. Okay, so whatever means, if you have some other image, if you want to put some other image on your web page, so you just download that image and put in the static folder, so that you can call that image easily on your HTML file. Okay, so guys, to call that file you have to give the tag, that is image, okay, then this is a source, image source, then you have to give the double curly braces. Okay, inside this curly braces you have to pass the URL for. What is this URL for? URL for stands to check the path of your file, that is check the path of your image file. Okay, so inside this one you have to pass the path, that is static. It's, you have make the folder over here, that is new directory. Then after that you have to give the file name. Okay, what is your file name? That is, see here, that is download one, means the your image file name, that is download. You just write over here download, then .jpg. Okay, so this is your file name. Now you just simply save this file and save this file, then go to the your .py file, then run command, then hit your URL. Oops, there is an image error, download. So we'll see what is the error in this. Okay, so we have to give the single inverted over in this, means we have to put this image name in the single inverted, then save this file, go to your command. You can go directly this on your URL, see the image came on your web page. Okay, so like this you can insert your any image on your web page. Simply you have to pass the tag, that is image source, then URL for, it will check the path of your image file, then the folder, that is static, it's a image, static image. Okay, then file name you have to put over here, that is download one, this is the file name. Okay, so if you want to put the other image as well, you just download that one, go to your static folder and paste that image on the static folder, then you can call easily on your HTML file. Okay guys, so now this image is very short, that is the width and let's say height also, so we can how to adjust this in the HTML file. See, if your image, it will say like it is not exist, so for that you can give this attribute, that is alt, then you have to pass the, that is alternate information about your image. So I will pass, this is a flag. Okay, this is a flag. So you can pass anything. Okay, then you have to, if you have to adjust your image, then pass this one height, then width also you can pass. You just save now, go to your URL. See the image, it's a means it the image size is adjusted. Okay, so like this you can adjust that image. So we can give the tag also, h1 tag, that is Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so we will save this file. We will refresh this one. See the name came, that is Shivaji Maharaj, and this is a flag. Okay, so like this you can do on your web page. Hope this will make sense, guys, how to insert the image on your web page. Okay, and first of all you need to download that one, and that image should be copied in the static folder so that you can call easily. Then you have to give the that is tag, that is image source, then URL for it will check the path of your image. Then you have to pass the static, that is a folder, file name, that is your image name. Okay, then you can adjust accordingly. Okay, so hope this will make sense, guys, how to insert the image. Thank you, guys.